We're still at Sanibel. Look, I was talking about how I'm not going to find a tulip this trip. Look at that. I found a tulip. Well, Robert found a tulip.
Robert found a tulip. Man.
We found more nice shells on 10 minutes on this beach than 3 days on Captiva.
We've also got more bites.
And more bug bites too. Wait, I'm going to be fooled. Watch my bag. Is this just a piece or a hole? Just a piece. Fooled again. Fooled again. Would you quit tossing them back? I want them. Look at that right there. Very nice shell line. Yeah. We're getting bit up. That's why we're like whining. All these seaweed tiles attract bugs like you wouldn't believe. What is this? Please be good. Please be. Oh my God.
Oh my God. That's two.
2 whole tulips. People, stay at West Wind Inn.
Nobody's picking shells up around here.
No one's picking shells up, that's for sure. All these people walking up and down past these nice shells. That's fine. I'll pick them up.
I might change the reservation to this place.
Robert's like, final night here. No, we're going fishing tonight.
Yeah, that ain't gonna be.
We chose Captiva, so Robert would have more of a fishing opportunity. But we can't say that's really panning out either. But it is a beautiful, look how low tide this is. Those people are just like walking barely ankle deep water. Are you trying to throw stuff in my bag again? Ow! Bug. Oh my God, that would have been really nice if it would have been better. Oh my God. These freaking bugs.
I think most people are just looking for big shells.
Yeah.
That's why they don't see those.
I do have bug spray. Just didn't bring it with me. I didn't think about it. Because we were just going to go out to dinner. And then we're like, hey, West Wind Inn is right. Oh, no way. No way, no way, no way, no way. Oh my God. It's kind of damaged, but I don't care. Jeez Louise. I don't know that I've ever found a cone before.
You think that would have
That's what I was going for. I was going for this guy right here.
And he's good too.
And I found this cone. Oh my God. Okay, you know what? Nobody come here. This is my secret spot. West Wind Inn, don't come here. It's a joke, I know. But just between us,
Here's that olive right here.
terrible place, don't come here. Teasing. I mean, seriously, look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Okay, hold on. Here, you hold the bag. Because apparently, you gotta dig a little to find some good ones. That is unbelievable.
That is unbelievable.
I cannot say I've ever found a cone like that before.
I'm not going to do that. I didn't see it.
I know you are.
I shot you. As soon as you find it with one more, I'll
All right, Junio. Don't you know how I say it? I always say it wrong. Someone will correct me. They always do. Don't lose my bag. Oh, he was more worried about his drink. Did I just almost? That's just a piece of a piece. We're so overwhelmed right now. Okay, where was I at? Don't lose my spot. I still cannot believe I found a cone. Can you believe that, Robert?
Yeah. It's that final slap in the face.
It's that final slap in the face. He's like, I should have booked here. Well, we were here in May. We wanted to do something different. Silly us. Captiva is definitely different. I don't know. Captiva is very nice. Exactly. That's the word. It's a different experience.
I noticed it's a lot more families up there than down here. Right here you got more couples.
What was that? Are we almost to the entrance?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna wrap it up. We're at the entrance. Sun is setting. Birds are saying time to move along. Silver bird. That's an olive right there. Yeah, I'm just too lazy to bend down and get that olive. I'm so lazy. Alright, might as well bend down and get the olive. Definitely some nicer, bigger shells here. Don't put the stinky shells in your drink, in the fruity uplifting drink.
Look at that one.
That is a nice one. That is a nice
Look at that one. That's a nice one too.
one. Okay, they're all nice. That's the problem. They're all super nice.
Did that go in the bag?
Did I drop it?
I don't know. I hope it did.
No, it went in.
Yeah.
Did it go into your drink?
No. Mine almost did. I think I did because the drink got salty.
Don't drink the shells. Alright, I don't want to disturb that fisherman, so. Alright. Ooh, that is a very pretty orange. Uh-oh. That's a close one. Robert's wearing his good shoes. Not his
I don't believe it's
feet showing. No, he's showing behind